we're going to talk about divisibility using something that is known as osculator. Okay, so osculator is a Vedic maths technique that is used for finding whether a largest number is divisible by another smaller number. Right now, what if I could tell you that let's take a largest number. So I'm taking this number 415675526. Right, so this is the largest number that I've taken, and I want to check its divisibility by 13. Right, so 13 is again not a very simple number to check the divisibility by. What I would either do is divide the whole thing by 13 and keep doing the long division method until I get a remainder 0. The other thing I could do, what if I tell you that for 13, right, there exists a number 4, and we'll talk about what 4 is and exactly how we find 4 in another video. But let's say, what if I told you for 13 that there exists a number 4 such that what 4 does is, right, so you take this number up 41567526 and I split this into two parts. I separate out the last digit and the rest of the digits, and what I do with this split is 415752 plus the last digit 6 multiplied by positive 4, right, and I get 41565752 plus 24, which gives me 415776, right. Now straight away I have eliminated one digit, yeah, in what I am testing. Now I do the same thing, right, I separate out the last 6, and to the rest of it 415677 I do a 6 times plus 4 again. So this time what I've done from here to here, I do the same thing and I do 41567 plus the last digit 6 into this number plus 4, right. So I add 415677 and 6 4 the 24, and I get 415701, yeah, and I do the same thing. I separate out the last digit, and to the rest of the digits I add 1 times 4. So I get 41570 plus 1 times plus 4, right, I get. So this is the same operation that I've been doing, and this time I get 41574 and repeat. So this time I get 4157 plus 4 into plus 4, and I get 4144 the 16, so I get 4173, right, same thing, and I get 417 plus 3 times plus 4, I get 429, and I do the same thing. So to 42 I add 3 times, right, so to 42 I add 9 times plus 4, and I get 42 plus 36, which is 78, right. Again 7 plus 8 times plus 4, so this is 7 plus 32, 39. Now there's no further to go. Now look at 39. Is 39 divisible by 13? If yes, then this entire number is divisible by 13, right. So what we've done in this methodology is that we have figured out a number 4 for a larger number 13, which helps me bring down one digit at a time, right. Instead of instead of long dividing by 13, which involves multiplication and then subtraction and then carry forwards and so on and so forth, instead of that what I've done is just simply one digit at a time multiplied by this number and added to the rest of it. Then what I get in the end, the units digit of the new number, then multiplied it with this number, added to the rest of it, and continue to do it. Actually, this process is pretty fast as compared to the pace that we are doing at right now, because I got to help you understand what we're doing. But once you get used to it, I assure you this is a much faster way of figuring out whether a number is divisible by a larger number or not, right? This methodology is called the osculator methodology and can be used for actually for all numbers, right? But it's of course useful in certain situations and not so useful in certain other situations. Having said that, I'll pause my video here. In the next video, we are going to talk about how we compute this number for every number. So for 13, for example, I arrived at plus 4 in a certain way. How do I do that for other numbers like 17, 19, 31, and so on and so forth? That's what we'll discuss in the next video.